Hey everyone, it's Silver Seeker, and I'm pretty excited because we got another package in front of us. This is the 2019 Silver Proof Sets, and as you know, it comes with the Reverse Proof 2019 W Pennies. I don't see any of them hanging out of the side of the box like it did last time, so hopefully they're all in here and nice. Let's go ahead and tear into this because I am excited. Let's go. Right, let's cut right into it right there. We'll cut the tape on the other side, and we'll just slice right down the center, gently at the top. You don't want to damage anything inside the box. Open it up so we can see that these reverse proofs were packaged the same way. Unfortunately, in fact, one is just sitting on top of the packing material, but at least it's there. We'll open this all the way up, take out the little bit of bubble wrap. Very little bubble wrap was actually put into here. They were just kind of thrown into the box. We're used to this, but that's all right. Let's go ahead and get these out of the box and make sure we have all of our 2019 reverse proof pennies. And we are looking for number 20. Okay, we found it. And number 20. So they are all in the box. That is a very good thing. We're going to go ahead and look at these in a little bit. We're going to do another video going through these and looking for, kind of like we did with the 19 W proofs, where we're looking for, you know, things that we think that we can send off. And just by first glance, this first one in my hand right here looks pretty darn good, but that's for another video. Let's go ahead and take a look at the proof sets themselves because these are beautiful. Okay, we got all of the sets out of the box, so we do know all the sets are there. They did come with the 2019 West Point Special Edition Lincoln Penny Collection. Now, this looks the exact same. In fact, it is the exact same. It doesn't, like, specify whether it's the reverse proof or the proof. Inside of the envelope, it has this certificate. It says 2019 West Point Special Edition Lincoln Penny Collection. Collect all three. So this is the exact same as the proof, so we know that they're going to be identical. So if you're getting the set, you're going to end up with 3 of these envelopes. You know, one for each type of coin. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at one of the 2019 silver proof sets. Now, I'm excited about them this year because this is the first year where the quarters, the half dollar, and the dime are all 3 nines fine silver as opposed to 90%. That makes it pretty exciting. I imagine they're going to look pretty much identical, but we want to get these out of the box, see how they look, and, you know, just I kind of be excited about them being, you know, pure silver. It doesn't actually say on the box anywhere about them being 99.9%, but I'm sure the certificate of authenticity confirms, you know, that, as well as the fact that it was just announced by the U.S. Mint itself. So here we go out of the box. First thing we have is the certificate of authenticity. We'll open it up, and sure enough, the composition on the dime, the half dollar, and the quarters is 99.9% silver. So you can see right there, very, very cool, that it's all 99.9% silver. So actually pure silver. So there's actually a little over an ounce of silver in the sets now. Does that justify a $55 price point? Not really if you're just buying it for silver, but the fact that they're, you know, actual U.S. coins that are pure silver, they're just absolutely gorgeous. So here we are taking a look up close at the 3 nines fine silver proof quarters. So all 5 of these are 99% silver, like I said. Here is the reverse of those quarters. They're just gorgeous. I really do like these. Those are just beautiful. And soon we are going to be cracking these out of the set. So let's take a look at the 2019 other part of the set, the half dollar, dime, penny, nickel, and dollar. Boy, oh boy, they're just absolutely gorgeous. They just really are. I love them. I do love these sets. So there you go, guys. Side by side, there are the sets in their glory. Just gorgeous. 2019 3 nines silver. The quarters, the dime, the half dollar, all pure silver. It's fantastic. Alrighty, guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep an eye out because we are going to be looking through these reverse proof pennies in another video, as well as cracking these sets out of the holders and putting them all in individual 2x2s like we've done in the past. Pretty exciting stuff. All right, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.